Welcome to an unforgettable beach paradise. Here, you will be presented by an incredible natural landscape with a beautiful beach overlooking the mesmerizing blue water. Enjoy marine adventures by boat and banana boat or take your textbook to fresh seafood from our local fish market. The good news is that we have just opened the South Ring Road, or TLX, leading directly to this beach. And this is an excellent opportunity open to food foreign and domestic investors. You can be part of the rapid development of this tourist destination and help shape its future. While you are here, enjoy the fun of traveling on the beach, playing in the sun and water with your family and friends, and create unforgettable memories. So, let's explore this natural beauty and the investment opportunities that await you at this beach, where unlimited adventure and fun await.